Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor.
In today's video, let me show you how you can change the tint and app color on iOS 18. So let's get started. To do this, press and hold an empty space on your iPhone home screen until all the applications start jiggling. You can easily delete or rearrange the application icons. Next, click on the Edit button and then click on Customize. You should see options for automatic, dark light, and tinted modes. To change the tint and app color, choose either light mode, dark mode, or automatic. If you select automatic, it will switch between dark and light modes based on your settings. For the tinted option, you can customize the appearance further. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.